are pleased to show you the 2014 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.